Hi, fellow viewers, to everybody. Good morning. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. Okay, to all viewers across the globe or outside Philippines, because Dumaguete City is part of Philippines in the Philippine map. Of course, it is a province of Negros Oriental, the provincial capital of Negros Oriental. I would like to inform to all the viewers that the answer is yes. Coming soon, Dumaguete City will soon have a traffic lights. Yes, you heard it right. Dumaguete City will soon have traffic lights. Why did I say this then? Why did you upload just only November 30, 2024? Okay, here is my answer. Actually, the one who will invest or installer of traffic lights in Dumaguete City and the City Council of Dumaguete, the problem is not necessarily an issue. There was no coordination actually. Actually, it goes like this. The mechanics was like this. Uh, the requirement is to have a traffic light must have 4 lanes road or highway. Actually, to be honest, Dumaguete City has no control in terms of traffic control. Because the flow of transportation like pedicabs, jeepneys, public buses or public transportation every day, Mondays through Sundays, anywhere in the streets, especially in downtown like Perdices Street, going Robinsons in Barangay Kalindagan. That is the most busiest part on that street. So that's the reason why they need to have a traffic light, especially going to Hypermart in Bagakay near at our house. So that's the reason why it is already necessary to have a traffic lights. Anyway, sooner or later, if they coordinate, listen, if they coordinate, then that's the time they will install traffic lights. Actually, there is already a feasibility study. It is a feasible because every now and then they've been observing flow of transportation, pedicabs. Before the pedicabs is just only 2,500 units. Right now it's more than 2,500. That is only pedicabs. That is excluded motorcycle. Actually, we are called the second Vietnam. Yes, Vietnam, di ba, is popular in motorcycle mode of transportation. We are the second Vietnam. Yes, you can compare. Try to observe many motorcycles. Isn't it right? You try to observe. In the future, it's possible that there might be uh, taxis. We cannot tell when. It can happen anytime. That's the reason why there must be a traffic light coming soon. Because after that, once the traffic light installed, the Negros Oriental International Airport follows. This is a reality. Dreams can come true. So I hope that these words that I'm telling is specific. Specific. I hope that these words that I mentioned in this video will catch up in your mind. For the meantime, they will think that me, I'm just only daydreaming. You cannot tell when. Unlike before, try to imagine call centers. There was no call centers before. How come there is Teletech? That's the first call center they operate in this province. They put it here in Dumaguete. Second, SPI Publishing, which is now Strabe. Qualphone, Wonders. These are business processing outsourcing. What else? Workpad, Australian BPO. So if you analyze all of these BPO are outside Philippines, because this our province is called already BPO hub. BPO hub. Okay, so much for this. The most important part I already said that traffic lights in Dumaguete is coming soon. Thank you for listening in this video. Actually, this is already morning here in Dumaguete City. Thank you for listening. Good morning.